I don't know if it's the quarantine or if it's my mind playing tricks on me, but I got stuck into the idea of cooking a steak on top of some fire bricks. What do you think? It's too crazy? And yes, I know that this quarantine can play mind games on people, and I think it's happening to me, but I have 2 fire bricks here that I want to really try, put on a steak on and see what happens. I got these guys, I've been using them for a long time to smoke things, and I always keep it in a clean, secure place. And today in the morning I got them and I washed them really well, so everything is pretty much clean and nice in there. And I want to light up that barbecue and just put them on there and see what happens. I don't know, maybe we can get something amazing out of this thing, or maybe not. But they are fire bricks, you know? They're supposed to be good. In 1837, the Monico's restaurant opened in Manhattan, and one of its signature dishes was a cut from the short loin that was called the Delmonico steak. Due to its association with the city, it's often referred to as the New York strip steak. The New York strip is a staple and a classic of any good steakhouse, and also at the Ninja's house. Well, as you can see, we have this piece of beauty here. This is a Wagyu steak. I don't know what grade it is. And I know you guys are gonna judge me for that because I'm experimenting with Wagyu, but that's something that I have in the fridge already, and I haven't go out to buy any meat at all. Miss Ninja doesn't let me go out. So this is what we have, this is what we're gonna put on the bricks, and I think it's gonna be good anyway. You know, it's a test, it's an experiment, but I'm confident that we're gonna come out with something really good out of this thing. We're gonna put some salt and pepper on this steak. We're gonna put it on the side for about 30 minutes. And in the meantime, while those bricks are heating up and this baby is getting all those spices in, we're gonna make a little compound butter here to accompany this beauty. Let's do it. They look awesome, guys. The smell is amazing. Now let's turn this around, man. Let's go. So you don't miss the swamp anymore. All right, Miss Ninja, I have some crazy stuff here for you to try.
I can see that. This is a showstopper, let me tell you.
It looks beautiful.
Gorgeous,
Man.
delicious.
I'm crazy to try this thing. This is one of my crazy ideas. I don't want to tell you what it is yet.
Okay.
Because I don't want to be judged. But yes, this is one of my crazy ideas and I really want you to try. Let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try.
All right.
Tell me a piece.
Knife here.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, smells so good,
It's
guys.
super tender. I mean, you don't need a knife for this.
Super tender. Love it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, Miss Ninja.
This is so good. So tender, so
Guys,
juicy.
this thing is delicious, brother. Oh my goodness,
And
man.
sisters, and sisters.
Oh my goodness, guys, this is amazing.
This is so good.
But there is a little difference. Do you notice?
Yes, I did. The charcoal flavor is very mild.
Very mild. That
Yeah.
doesn't have a lot of charcoal flavor, but
Delicious.
I feel like the heat, because what happened is I cook it on the bricks, on fire bricks.
On a brick.
Yeah, I was thinking,
Okay.
you know, the ancient people that used to cook on rocks and things like that, and I really wanted to give it a try. I mean, if you get those bricks or something like that, and you just put it on top of fire, it's gonna have exactly the same effect. And I was really looking to try it, man, because
Pretty cool.
I thought it was going to be amazing, and it is amazing. I
Yes,
love it.
I love it too.
But it doesn't have that charcoal flavor that
Yeah.
you get when the flames or the charcoal hit the meat. It doesn't have that. It has a little bit, but it's not great. But besides that, this thing is amazing. The term on it is great.
Perfect. Perfect.
It's rare, medium rare, I would say. It cooks a lot faster than what we normally do with the grill, without counting the time that we heat the bricks on, of course. Normally, something like that will take 20 minutes to cook, and then the searing will be about 5 minutes, sometimes 10 minutes, depending on the heat that you have in the charcoal. This whole thing was done in 10 minutes. And as you saw, those bricks, they were really hot. And I think the final product is ninja proof.
Oh yes, Miss Ninja approved. Chokes. There you go.
Man, that was awesome. That was amazing. And if you like it, please hit it with the like.
Lots of likes.
I'm pretty sure you're gonna have a lot of comments and a lot of ideas based on these things. So put it down there in the comments.
Yes.
And don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends and family. Remember to help the ninja on those things, because that helps a lot, guys. Thank you so much, guys, and remember that I love you.
We love you and see you on the next one.
Say